Have you ever heard of Beam? It's a privacy-focused cryptocurrency that's been making waves in the crypto world. But if you're new to Beam, you might be wondering where to get your hands on it. Well, that's exactly what we're going to cover today. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps of buying Beam token, from choosing the right exchange to storing your token safely. So, let's dive in. Choosing the right exchange. The first step is to select a cryptocurrency exchange that supports Beam. There are several reputable exchanges out there, but it's important to do your research and choose one that suits your needs. Consider factors like fees, security, and user experience. Some popular exchanges that offer Beam include Binance, a leading global cryptocurrency exchange known for its wide range of supported coins and competitive fees. KuCoin, another major exchange with a focus on altcoins and a user-friendly interface. Gate.io, a well-established exchange with a diverse selection of trading pairs. Creating an account. Once you've chosen an exchange, you'll need to create an account. The process is usually straightforward and involves providing your email address, password, and possibly completing a verification process. Make sure to enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, for added security. Funding your account. To purchase Beam, you'll need to fund your exchange account with fiat currency like USD, Euro, or your local currency. Most exchanges offer various deposit methods, including bank transfers, credit cards, and cryptocurrency deposits. Buying Beam token. Now comes the exciting part: buying Beam. The process is similar to buying any other cryptocurrency on an exchange. Here's a general guide. Search for Beam. Use the search bar on your exchange's platform to find Beam. Select a trading pair. Choose a trading pair that involves Beam and your preferred fiat currency, e.g., Beam/USD. Place an order. Decide whether you want to buy at the current market price or place a limit order to specify a price you're willing to pay. Confirm the purchase. Review your order details and confirm the purchase. Storing your Beam. Once you've successfully purchased Beam, it's crucial to store it securely. Exchanges can be vulnerable to hacks, so it's recommended to withdraw your Beam to a personal wallet. There are two main types of wallets. Hardware wallets. These are physical devices that store your private keys offline, providing the highest level of security. Popular options include Ledger Nano S and Trezor. Software wallets. These are digital wallets that can be accessed on your computer or smartphone. While they are generally less secure than hardware wallets, they can be convenient for everyday use. So, there you have it. Buying Beam token is a relatively simple process that involves choosing an exchange, creating an account, funding your account, and placing an order. Remember to prioritize security by using a reliable wallet to store your Beam. With the growing interest in privacy-focused cryptocurrencies, Beam could be a promising investment. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, happy trading.